Good morning, dear students. I welcome you here in the online session started by School of Scholars Malkapur. Student, now we are discussing the chapter number 4 of standard 8, that is cubes and cube roots. Student, now today we are going to discuss the last topic of this chapter, that is finding cube roots by observing unit digit. Till now we come to know that what are the properties of perfect cube. In that we come to know that odd number cube is always odd number, even number cube is always even number. Okay, more property: finding the cube root of rational, finding the cube root of product of its integer, then verify whether the given number is a perfect cube or not by finding its all prime factors and underlining the group of 3 prime. Then finding the smallest number to be multiplied, smallest number to be divided to make the given number perfect cube. So this much content we have been discussing from few days. Today we will discuss how we can find the cube root of a given number just by overlooking to the unit digit of a given number. Most of the students were asking me, sir, is there any suitable method other than the prime factorization? Because in the prime factorization, first you have to find its all prime factors and represent a number in a product of its all prime factor. After arranging it, underline a group of 3. Okay, and then take it one number from out of this, and product of it will show us the cube root of given number. Student, there is one method, but that method is somewhat complicated. It is mostly useful, but when the numbers will be larger digit, that time you have to apply somewhat the prime factorization method. See here, but today we will learn that method also. So what is our today's topic? Finding cube root of a number by observing its unit digit. Just by observing to the unit digit, you all will define what will be the cube root. Okay, so here first we will mark down. I will tell you what digits will be there in the cube root of a given number. Okay, so here first you will be given a number and you will ask the cube root of it. So what digit will be there in a cube? If you have asked, see here one example, 3, 2, 5, 6. What is the cube root of this? Without applying the prime factorization method, inform and tell what is the cube root of it. So here first thing you can clear, what digit will be there at the unit place of it. What digit will be there at the unit place of it just by overlooking to the unit digit of the given number. Okay, the digit at the unit digit of a cube root depends on the digit which is there at the unit place of a given number. Okay, so here we will discuss that. So here digit of a number, unit digit of a number here unit digit of a cube root of number. So here in a perfect cube, student, at the unit place, if 0 is there, at the unit place 0 is there, so in the cube root of it you will find there will be also 0 only. If at the unit place there is a 0, then in the answer, in the cube root of it, there will be at the unit place always 0. If 1 is there at the unit digit of a given perfect cube number, then in the cube root of it you will find there will be also always 1. Only these things are there. But if at the unit digit of a number, if 2 is there, then in the cube root of it there will be 8. What there will be? 8. Got it? If there is 2 at a unit digit of a given perfect cube number, then at the cube root, in the cube root, its unit digit will be 8. 2, 8. Okay. If 3 is there at the unit digit of a given perfect cube, then at the unit digit of its cube root, you will find there will be always 7. Okay, there will be always 7. If 3 is there, 7. 2 is there, 8. Okay, and the digit will be probability 1 to 9. So only the changes are there in 2 and 3. So here, if 5 is there at the unit digit of perfect cube, in the answer, in the cube root of it, 5 will be there. 6 as it is. Okay, and if 7 is there in a perfect cube of a given number, in its cube root there will be 3. 8 there will be 2. 9 as it is. Only the changes are there in 2 and 3. If 2 is there, 8 will be there. 3, 7. And the converse is asked, if in a perfect cube 8 is there, in a cube root of it there will be 2 at the unit digit. If 7 is there in a perfect cube, there will be 3 at its unit digit. Got it? Now we will know how we can find out the cube root of a number just by overlooking to the number. Smaller changes you have to perform over. First number, question is there. Find the cube root. Find the cube roots of following numbers. Only the changes, smaller changes you have to apply over there, and then you will find the cube root of it just by doing the smaller changes. First, 510. This number is given, and we have asked cube root of 510. What digit will be there in a cube root at a unit place? That depends on the digit at unit place in a perfect cube. What is there? 2. What will be there? What will be there, student? Yes, 8. 8 will be there. So here at the unit digit 8. Now student, in a perfect cube, first 3 digit. Okay, starting from right hand side of a given number, first 3 digit you have to cross. Okay, if you will cross this all 3 digit, what is there? 0. A perfect cube number less than 0. Less than 0, there is no perfect cube, there is no number. So here only 8 will be. So therefore student, 8 cube is equal to 512. You will get confused. How? You will verify. See here. You will verify. 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. 8 is 64. 64 multiplied by 8. 64 multiplied by 8. 8 4 32. 3 carry. 8 6 48. 48 plus 3 51. 500. Is the same? Yes. It is a way by which you can find out the cube root of given number just by overlooking its unit digit. But when 3 digit numbers will be given, 3 digit perfect cubes will be given to you, that time it is useful. But 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, when the number will get larger digits, then it will be somewhat changes you have to apply again and it will be minor difficult, but you can find out. See another example. Second example, 729 adds unit digit. What is there? 9. So in an answer, what will be there? In an answer, 9 only. So leave 3 digit. After this 3 digit, what is there? 0. So only it will be there. So the cube root of 729 is equal to 9. Did I apply here for a factorization method? No. Just by overlooking the digits, I am able to define the cube root of it. Another example, 5830. 5830. Cube root of this 5830. So at the unit digit of a perfect cube, what is there? 2. So in the cube root of it, there will be, what there will be? 2 is here student. So what will be there? 8. If 2 is there in the cube root, there you will find 8. Okay, now cross first 3 digit from the right hand side of a number, and after that what number is there? 5. Okay, a perfect cube number less than 5. Perfect cube number less than 5. Less than 5, there is only one perfect cube number, that is 1. So here there will be, and cube root of that one only. So here there will be 1. Got it? So therefore cube root of 5832 is equal to 18. You can verify by multiplying this 3 digit. Okay, now another example. See here, next example, 9261. Question number 4, 9261. So now here in this number student, the digit add a unit place. What is there? 1. So in the cube root of it, what will be there at the unit digit? 1 itself. 1 is there? 1. The changes are there in 2 and 3. If 2 is there in a cube root, 8 will be there. 3 is there in a cube root, 7 is there. Okay, now here cross first 3 digit starting from right hand side. Now after this 3 digit, what is there? 9. A perfect cube number, a perfect cube less than 9. Which is it? Which is it? 8. A perfect cube number less than 9, 8. And what is the cube root of it? 2. Very good. So here there will be 2. So therefore student, the cube root of 9261 is 21. So by this way student, you all can find the cube root of a given number by using property first about unit digit and property second, first cross 3 digit of right hand side and find perfect cube number less than the given number. So here the perfect cube number less than 9, that was 8, and what is the cube root of it? 2. So I have placed it before 1. So here you can say 9261 is a cube of 21. You can verify your answer by multiplying, by showing the multiplication of 21. 21 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21. You will find exact this answer. Got it? Next we will see another example, that is 46,656. 46,656 cube root of 46,656. What is the unit digit? 6. Unit digit of a perfect cube? 6. So in a cube root of it, what will be there at the unit digit? 6 is there. Done. Now cross first 3 digits starting from right hand side of a given number. Which number do you find? 46. A perfect cube less than 46. What is it? What is it student? 27. Okay. So here 46 means it is greater than 26 and less than 64. Means 46 comes in between 3 cube and 4 cube. Isn't it? 46 comes in between 3 cube and 4 cube. So here we want a perfect cube number less than 46, that is 27. And what is the cube root of 27? 3. So that 3 will be added here 10 space. So by this way you can say the cube root of 46,656 is 36. Did I apply here long division method? Did I apply here prime factorization method? No. Just by overlooking to the digits I am able to define the cube root of large numbers. Okay, so for that it is necessary to learn the perfect cube up to 20. If you have learned it, then only it is useful for you. Otherwise you will find it difficult. If you don't know the perfect cube less than the given number, then you can't find the cube root of the given number. You have to learn the cube root up to 20. Next example, that is 6,14,125. 6,14,125. We have to find out the cube root of it. 6,14,125. And the unit place of this perfect cube, what is there? 5. So in an answer, in a cube root of it, what will be there? 5 only. Now cross first 3 digit. After first 3 digit, which number will we find? 614. A perfect cube number less than 614. Was it? That is here 614. 614. This number we have to find out a perfect cube number less than the 614. That is 512. 512. And the cube root of 512, that is 8 cube. 8 cube. And this number comes in between 8 cube and 9 cube. What is the 512? Cube root of 512 is 8. So here there will be 8. 85 cube. Therefore the cube root of 6,14,125 is 85. So here student, by this way today we have discussed about how to find the cube root of a given perfect cube number by observing its unit digit. Here in your textbook some practice questions are given. You all can go through with that, or either you can prepare your own example and do the practice. Only the practice can makes you perfect here in this chapter. The chapter number 3rd and 4th is very important to you because both the chapters somewhat similar. Okay, and the topics and the things which are there that are as it is in the next standard, 9th standard. So that's why I am telling you to do the thorough practice of this chapter. In between doing the practice, if you will find any query, any doubt is there in your mind, please do contact with me or share with me your example, your answer on my WhatsApp. I will give you the solution. Okay student, so today we will stop here. Thank you and have a good day.